Hello you guys again, and today I'm gonna react again to the chosen one from Italy. The song is Fai Rumors by Diodato. And just remember to like this video or subscribe if you actually like it. And let's check it again because I have already listened to this one.
I've got 21 minutes to go, girl, till I get. Sai che cosa penso?
Oh, there's
Non
a
dovrei pensare
English version in this
se poi penso
video.
sono un animale. Se ti
Thank
penso tu
you so
suona
much for
male.
this.
Forse questo temporale che mi porta da te.
Oh.
E lo so, non dovrei farmi trovare senza un ombrello anche se ho capito che per quanto fuga torno sempre.
I mean, I really love his vocals. Like,
Che fai rumore
it's really emotional.
e non lo so se mi fa bene, se il tuo rumore mi conviene, ma fai rumore, sì.
I wish I could know Italy language so I can sing along to it. It's actually amazing song for me.
E me ne vado in giro senza parlare, senza un posto a cui arrivare. Consumo le mie scarpe, forse le mie scarpe sanno bene dove andare. Che mi ritrovo negli stessi posti, proprio quei posti che dovevo evitare.
Yeah, every time I listen to this, like really emotion. But this is the first time I watched the Eurovision version of it. That's no different, right? I love it. Music video that is actually really emotional. Yeah, see, I cannot bear it. Silence, retreat. I love this part so much. I mean, the instrument of it is actually so wonderful. The instrument is so amazing in this part. Every time I listen to this part, I feel, oh, it's hurt. I wish I could know Italy language. This is really so hurt. I like wish that just just she make noise, make a sound, because she is like she's gone, and just only like hearing just the sound of her is like healing the wound. The wounds. This is actually really emotional. I mean this has to be in high place because this is actually really emotional. Like if you like because I didn't spend through like losing my love, because I'm actually not in love, so I can't like even like have the same feeling. But just maybe if like you can understand the feeling of the people who was had spent through like this emotion, like I mean it's really sad. I mean the whole things of this, like the instruments, the music video, his vocal. I mean his vocal was actually really sounding his soul hurt, and I mean the instrument in it is actually so wonderful. I mean the I don't know how to say that in English, but the solo instrument, I don't know. It's actually really cool and really sad also. In the same time, it's actually cool, and I love how it looked like. I mean, his vocal was so amazing. I mean, everything of it actually really amazing, and I'm into it. I'm loving. I love it so much. In the first time I listen to it, I feel like okay, it's fine. But every time I listen to it, like again, I feel like oh, it really has something that that's so hurting myself. It's like getting more and more, and I love it. And I thank you for your reason to bring the English lyric down there. I just only watch in his channel, in the Diodato channel, this video. Mm, I mean, it's one up really in my top 10. Actually, it's number 9, as I remember. Um, I'm love it. I really hope that it's gonna get in high place because it's actually really cool. And emotional also. Yeah, I don't know. And that's other thing I wanna say. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys gonna have like a good day and good healthy, because like this virus is really killing us. I hate I hate this so much, and just I recommend you guys to like wash your hands and wear some mask when you go to the public or crowded people, and stay healthy. I mean, like if more fruits or more like vegetables for bring the vitamin C for you guys, and remember to stay healthy. And good luck to you, Italy, this year with this one, Fai Rumors. And yeah, that's all the thing I want to say. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys gonna have a good day and say goodbye.